Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're just going to give you an update on this little convertible that we collected. We've had it on the ramp. It's been jacked up. The back axle has parted from the actual floor. We opened both doors and it tried to drop in half. And the inner wings have had it. The engine and the front chassis legs, they've both gone. That's why the engine's held in with two steel bars. Front panel's had it. It is totally rotten. It's not a genuine traveller. It's one that's not a genuine convertible, sorry. It's one that's been converted from a saloon. It's really not good enough to start restoring. So me and Mr. Machin have come to the conclusion that we're going to have to part this one out. I'm going to start taking the Smith's heater out, as we've already sold that bit. So if anybody wants anything from this car, it's all going to be for sale. Just drop us a message below and we'll get back to you. So we'll just give you a little tour around it. That's the engine bay. Rotten inner wings over there, if you can see. Same this side. As I said, these two steel bars here, there, and that one there, that's what's holding the engine up. The cross members broke underneath. That's totally had it. As you can see, the doors don't shut anymore. So it's not very good in here. The light's not very good. We've got some orange sodium lighting in this part of the unit, but I've got to get under there and get that heater out. That's my job for this afternoon. If anybody wants anything, as I've said, that has got an early type rear wing on that side, and it's not bad. So original early backlights in it, and a very good boot lid. The boot lid is exceptional, and that's for sale. And the other side is just as bad as this side, to be honest. That's got a later rear wing on it, just there. And as you can see, that's where the doors meet. It's a good job that's clipped in at the front for the roof. If it wasn't, it would have cantilevered in. So there's the bits. If anybody's wanting anything, let me know and we can get it off for you. So I'm going to get some tools and I'll get to taking it out. I'll get back to you shortly. Right, first thing, I need to get the screws out of that. The ends screws there, that one there, parcel shelf, so we can get in. There's glass everywhere from a shattered window, so I've got to be careful where I'm putting my hands. So I'm going to get these bits out, hopefully they'll come. There's a writing on the Smith's heater, look, all there. So I'll get that bit done first. Was that the last time it was on the road? Just found that tax disc. And Morris designer badge. So we've got them screws out that side and at the other end. Just need to release the middle, then we can get the parcel shelf out. And that's not in bad condition actually, if anybody's after a parcel shelf for 54.55, you can have a look at that. The parcel shelf's down and the heater is now coming out. We just need to get to the pipes that are up there, cut them off, because they'll not be any good. 50, 60 years old, then we can get it out. So we're at that stage. That's what it looks like coming out. I'll get back to you shortly. Right, we've got it out. All we need off now is that wire. I've already pulled the other one out, and them two pipes, and it's all out. So I'm just going to put the camera down. I'll get it off, and when we've got it on the bench, I'll show you what a Smith's heater looks like. So give us 5 minutes and we'll be back with you. Right, the heater box is out. 2 wires. In and out pipe. And the Smith's heater. See that? Smith's motor accessories. England. The bit that blows into your vents. That's all out. That can be drained. There's a bit of water in it. Get that drained. The box is there, ready to be packaged and sent to the person that's bought it. I think the next thing, I want to take the seats out, then we can get round it a bit better. But Simon's just doing a disc brake conversion on that one. It'll look nice with that. Well, it does look nice. It'll be alright when it's done. Quite good under here. I hope that you can see a lot. They're all on. No handbrake cables. No brake pipes all the way through. Another job nearly finished. A couple more there to be done. A couple outside. So that's it for now. We'll get this boxed up and sent off. As I say, if anybody wants anything, leave us a comment in the messages below and we'll get back to you. And if you've enjoyed what you've seen, consider giving us a like and a thumbs up and a subscribe. The subscribers are much appreciated. That'd be good. I do think that sign's for sale as well. See you next time. All working, ready to go. Now the next job, we're going to take the front seats out. Just pick them clips up, make them live in the glove box. Little bits and bobs. So front seats next. Mind all this glass. And these have 2 bolts just here, back and front, one there, and then the same on that side. And then sometimes the back ones is easier that way. In fact, I think I'll do them both that way. but that's a lot more glass. Oh dear, it's a shame that window got broke. Anyway, I'm going to take these seats out, these foldable seats. I'll show you in a minute when they're out. That's the first one undone. It's free to come out. These frames will clean up really nice. If anybody's wanting an early green interior, it's all for sale. Carpet sets with it. Back seats. Side pod camera steering in good condition. So anybody's wanting an interior this colour, drop us a message in the comments below. Well, that's the two front seats out. I've been laying in all that glass. Not very good, but they're out. I'm going to get the carpets out, see what the floor looks like underneath. I think that bit under the driver's seat, the driver's floor, I don't think there's much left there, but we'll have a look, see what we find. And that's a mat that was in it from the co-op. And what does this one say? Yep, from the co-op. Two mats from the co-op. So I'll get the carpets out and we'll show you them. Interior's out. I've not got the driver's floor out yet, the carpet. I can't get that bolt out. I've got to chop it out, so that's where the floor's gone on that side. Same on this side. All up here, all at the front. There's lots and lots. And I've not looked under that side yet. It's not bad under the back seats, but that's it. That's a good kick panel in green. It's the carpet's up to yet. Back seat base, back seat upright, front seats. They're not bad bases, to be honest. I think both of them are about as good. That's that one. I think they'll go again. I think that's where I'm going to leave it for now. We've got the heater out. We've got the seats out. Some of the carpet out. I'm going to call it a day. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much.